Hi guys, okay Lee here, so let's get into it. First of all, tuning. Jon Butler plays it on open G. You can do half steps down from there, but I find it works best on open G. So basically it's an open G with the top string being one step down. Okay, so open G starts with D, G, D, G, B, and D. Okay, but instead of that first string being a D, we bring it down just one step to a C. Okay, so basically C, G, D, G, B, and D. Okay, so we start with the open fifth string, ringer, and the open fourth string, hammer onto the second fret, ringer, open third string, ringer, second fret, third string, ringer, slide to fourth, ringer, then the second string, third fret, ringer, hammer on fifth, ringer, open, ringer. Okay, do that slow. For the second part, we open up with an open string on the sixth, and then the ringer, and then we start again on the third fret, second string, and then we hammer that on to the fifth fret, second string, and the ringer, and then again just the third fret, ringer, and then we move up to the fourth fret on the third string, ringer, and then from there we're going to put our pointer finger on the second fret of the third string and hammer that onto the fourth fret, ringer, and then only the 2nd fret, and then we're going to play it open 3rd string, but we hammer on to the 2nd fret, ringer, and then open 3rd string, ringer. So slowly that sounds like this. Excuse me. Okay, for the 3rd part, I'm just gonna do this a little bit sped up first, so you can hear the rhythm. Okay, here we go. Okay, so basically how that goes, it starts off like the first part, except for there's a little break. Okay, so you start off with the 5th string again, open, ringer, 4th string, hammer on 2, ringer, open on 3rd, ringer. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, now from there, we're gonna play the 3rd and slide it down to the 4th. But instead of the ringer being the 1st string, now it's going to be the 2nd string, open. So it's going to be so just that from the top. Just so you get that other sound off. Okay, so from there you play 3rd string again, slide it back to 2, and once it is at number 2, you play ringer 1st string, and then open 3rd string, and then the ringer on the 1st string again. Okay, so slowly. Okay, so part 4 is just basically a copy of part 2. So just to link it up, I'm going to have this little section just to show you. So I'm going to go from part 3 to part 4 slowly. Okay, part 5, we start with either the open 5th or the open 4th string. I think Butler does it on the open 4th, but I like the sound on the open 5th. So it's really up to you. So anyone and the ringer, okay, and then you do from the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, you're going to hammer onto the 5th again, okay, ringer, okay, and then you play that 3rd only again, and the ringer, and then the 3rd string on the 4th fret, ringer. Okay, so slowly that sounds like this. Okay, and from there you play the open 6, ringer. Then you do that hammer on again from the third to the fifth. Open. Third. Open. And then again, third string on the fourth. Okay. But instead of playing that ringer again, you're going to slide it up to the second. Okay, and that's the end of it. So that's going to be losing you. Okay, don't worry about that, but yes, just want to let you hear the progression with the lyric. Okay, so okay, so for the second last bit, we're going to do almost the same as the second part, no, the first part, except for that slide is going to change to a hammer on. Okay, so we're going to start with the open 5 string and then the ringer. Okay, then we're going to do the 4th string, hammer on to the 2nd fret. Then the open 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret, no hammer on, only the 2nd fret. Play that with your index finger, your pointer finger instead. And then from there, hammer on to the 4, excuse me. And then 2 again. Then play the open 3rd, hammer on. Then open, but the ringer here is going to be your 2nd string. Okay, so again, open, ringer, hammer on, ringer, open, ringer, 2, ringer, hammer, ringer, 2, ringer, hammer, open, ringer number 2. Okay, so slowly that sounds like this. Okay, so for the last part, same idea, same kind of composition except for the last 4 notes. It sounds like this slowly. Okay, so essentially what that is again 5 open, ringer, hammer, 2, ringer on the 4th string, so that's on the 4th string, hammer on 2, and then open 3, ringer, fret number 2, ringer, open again, ringer, and then one string up, 2nd fret on the 4th string, ringer, open on the 3rd string, ringer, and then again 2nd fret on the 4th string, ringer. So slowly it sounds like this. Okay, so basically that is it. The most important part of the song is linking it up with the lyrics if you want to do it with the lyrics. But if not, just try and play along with Jon Butler if you get it. So you can see which lyric goes where. But anyway, let's do the whole thing slow so you can see how they link up.